Hello everyone, it's Elsie. With today's video, I am going to talk about how to fix Kalimba bus. As you can hear here, that's a buzzing sound with the key F. The first method that we will try to use to fixing the buzz sound is to move the time to left or right slightly. As you can hear, that fixed the buzzing sound. Let's say you try to shift the time slightly to the left or right and it still doesn't work. We are going to try the second method. With the second method, you will use paper and scissors. You will cut a stripe of paper . So what you will need to do is to slide the paper under the tie that need to be fixed, like this. When you get to the bridge, you will need to lift the tie a little bit so you can slide the paper under, like this. That should fix the buzzing sound. Lastly, you would tear away the extra paper. So that's the paper method that you can use. Let's say if this still does not fix the buzzing sound, the last method I'm going to share with you is the sandpaper method. I don't have sandpaper here, so let's pretend this is a sandpaper. So this is the side of the sandpaper. You would use a sandpaper that's about 400 grit per inch. So what you need to do is to slide the sandpaper between the tie and the bridge. Make sure the sandpaper side is under. So you will lift it so it can go under. So what you will need to do is to lift the tie a little, which is have enough space to grate the sandpaper, and then you would pull the sandpaper. So you would do this a few times. This will help grate away the imperfection of the bridge surface after a few times. Then you want to upgrade to the finest sandpaper you can get, like the 100 grit, and then you do it a few more times. That should be able to help you smooth the surface more. These are the 3 methods that I want to share with you on how to fix the Kalimba bus. I hope you found them to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like and subscribe. Have a great day. I hope to see you in my next video.